not the morning. It's like 12:30. I slept in a little too late, but I feel good because my room is clean. I cleaned it last night, so I feel refreshed. I feel like I was productive yesterday, so it's okay to sleep in today, you know. I slept the rain out of the way. It's so beautiful outside. Let me show you. So pretty. So I'm so excited to get the day started. I just made my bed, as you guys saw, and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. I have a few things I'm doing today. I am going to therapy, and then I'm meeting my friend for like a late lunch, early dinner after that. So I'm gonna take you with me and we're gonna have a good day, okay? Let's have a good day together and let's go ahead and let's get cute. I want to get cute, so cute. Okay, so just kidding. I'm actually gonna go make some food for myself, and I think I have a little visitor. Oh my goodness! Did you bring me gifts? Hi, babe. Okay, okay, okay. You brought me little gifts. It's so cute. I'm making my way down the stairs. Oh my goodness. You playing? This is Willie. And this is sweet girl Dolly. Hi, bud. What are you doing? What did you... Oh. Okay. What do I want to eat? This has gotta go. I made like a pesto pasta like a week ago and I never ate it. I'm gonna start with this turkey bacon. It's so good. I'm like really bad at cooking, so I just try to get stuff that's like simple, straightforward. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna have 2 eggs, and it's gonna be a nice like protein breakfast even though it's noon. Turkey bacon and my scrambled eggs, and I put some salt and some chili flakes on them to like spice it up. And the prettiest girl ever. Yes, you are. You're the prettiest girl ever. So I'm ready for the day. As I was getting ready, it was like raining and now the sun is coming back out. But this is my outfit. I'm wearing this top from Amazon. This necklace is from Urban Outfitters. Earrings, I think, are Urban Outfitters. Skirt, Urban Outfitters. And shoes are Sambas from Adidas, but I thrifted them. Cute little find. They were literally like 40 bucks when they actually go for like over 100. Now I am headed to therapy. So I'm on my way to therapy and I'm so excited because I mean I love my therapist, and there's just, we finally reached a level. I've been seeing her for like maybe like 4 months now, and I really feel like she finally is like really understanding me. And you know, that takes time when you're seeing a new therapist, and sometimes you have to switch therapists until you find one that you vibe with. But I finally feel like connected to her and like excited to tell her things, and like she really, her response is like she really gets me and what I'm going through. And I feel like it's really important to talk to somebody that is unbiased to your life and your situation. Like, it's one thing to talk to your friends and your family about stuff you're going through, but they're gonna have like an emotional response to all those things. and so their opinion might be, like I said, biased. So to talk to somebody who has no emotional connection to me and just getting their opinion on things and their advice, it's really beneficial. And I wish more people had access to therapy, because I think it's so important. It's so important, and I would love to make some videos on here about my experience with therapy, because I've been in and out of therapy for the past like 6-7 years, and I've done really intensive therapy with like a psychologist. I'm seeing just a therapist, like a counselor now, because that's really all I need. I just need like an unbiased person to talk to. But I've been through like DBT, which is like a group therapy. It's like a dialectical behavioral therapy, so it really teaches you how to cope with your emotions and different things, and especially if like that's something you just didn't learn in childhood for whatever reason. It doesn't have to be like you were like abused or anything, but sometimes you just like don't learn coping skills when you're young. And so I went through that, and it helped me tremendously to just be more self-aware and like understand my feelings and my emotions, and like be more connected to myself. So I would love to make more videos about that. Maybe we'll do that soon. Okay, so I just got done with therapy. It went really well. I didn't feel like I had too much to talk about this time. Like sometimes I'll go in there and I'll have like all the tea, and I'll be like super emotional and have to talk through something. But this time I felt pretty good today. So we just kind of talked about some stuff that we talked about last time, just kind of rehashed it a little bit, just like relationship stuff. And yeah, so I usually go in for like an hour, and I felt like I didn't have anything to say after like 30 minutes, but we always figure it out and it goes well. What always happens is at the end of the session is when we like hit something and we're like, oh, we gotta dissect that a little bit. It always works out that way. At the end of the session, you like start talking about something and you're like, oh, we're out of time, and it's like, ugh, you know, I want to get into that. And now I'm home. I'm going to go touch up my hair and my makeup, which I don't really need to, but I feel a little bit oily. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna touch up my makeup and my hair, and then we're gonna head to dinner with my friends. Cute. It's crazy because the storm is here, and then it's so pretty over here. So pretty. I'm so happy because the sun came out as soon as I got here, and it's perfect. And my friend's meeting me, and I see her. This is my bestie since first grade, and we're meeting for a little dinner tonight. I'm gonna sneak up on her. She won't see me coming. Hiya!
You're not supposed to be able to see me over here.
Well, I saw you pull up, and so I wanted to walk over here and vlog.
You're still doing it! Oh my god. I'm only doing this because you're vlogging and I need to not look terrible in it, because you always look good.
Oh my god. Well, thank you. You never look bad either, so
Okay,
don't fret, my friend. But I love this fit.
thanks. My mom got it for me.
Cute. Cute little fit. This is my fit.
Does it look good for getting rid of product?
Mm-hmm. Cute. You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
This morning in the Zoom.
Do it again.
What did you just say?
It's good. I like it. It's good. Oh yeah. I can eat whatever I want. Hey baby. That was fun. You guys, we're having a crisis. I'm walking through the park, which I always do, and there's swarms of flying ants. Like, I can't get away. Like I have to just walk through. They're like probably all in my hair. Like I can see the swarm coming. And it's like, holy shit. The fuck? No wonder no one's out here. I'm afraid they're gonna fly in my mouth, so I don't know what to do, guys. I'm not even close to being out of the park. So, oh my god. Okay. You guys, I made it home. I made it home after the ant incident, and for a minute there I really was feeling like they were on me, because like my hair is like falling down, you know? So every time it would touch my skin I would be like, you know? But we're good. We made it through. We made it through the ant incident and we're good. So I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna edit this video. I'll talk to you guys before I go to sleep. Okay guys, so I am just gonna wrap up the night. I'm gonna edit this vlog and then work on a few other things for UGC and content, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching.